Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership, today wanting to let you know a little bit more about our latest arrival in the form of this Jaguar E-Pace. This particular example is the E-Pace R Dynamic S D150 all-wheel drive, finished here in Fuji white colour. As an approved used vehicle, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Key equipment highlights will include 10-way electric seats, as well as these 18-inch alloy wheels, which look absolutely gorgeous. Prominent Jaguar badging is available around the sides, and the silhouette is definitely guaranteed to turn heads. Passengers in the rear won't be complaining, as the cabin offers loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3, with the interior being finished in Ebony light Oyster leather two-tone interior. Round the back, large twin exhaust pipes and LED taillights will be on offer, as well as a large boot space. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar E-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once inside the cabin of this E-Pace, there is plenty for you to enjoy. The light Oyster stitching continues on the front dash and side doors, and there's plenty of adjustment for wing mirrors and plenty others. Multifunction steering wheel also features paddle shifts, and the color TFT screen up ahead features a digital speedometer as well as traffic sign recognition. Bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice, snow, eco or dynamic will allow you to optimize the feel of the drive too, and a number of safety systems will also be on offer to keep a watchful eye ahead of the road, such as collision avoidance and lane keep assist function. In the center, the 10-inch Touch Pro system has everything you would want, such as built-in satellite navigation to make sure you never get lost. Bluetooth telephony is very easy to pair, and all your music will come via AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions. Other great features will include benefit of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the ASI all-surface information will let you know what the 4x4 system is doing at any given moment. To help you park, rear view parking camera with a wide angle view is available, fully supported by front and rear audible parking sensors. Easy to use 2-zone climate control system is on offer, as well as a heated front windscreen, which is an ideal function to have for frosty mornings. Large center armrests and USB chargers will also be on offer. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar E-Pace R Dynamic S all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our Jaguar specialists on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.